What's the meaning of bracken? Bracken. Bracken.
Bracken. Bracken. Bracken is a type of large fern that grows in dense clusters, often found in wooded areas or on hillsides. The fronds are typically triangular in shape and can reach up to 6 feet in height. Bracken is known for its ability to quickly colonize disturbed or open areas, and can be considered an invasive species in certain regions. However, it also serves as a food source for wildlife and has been utilized for medicinal purposes by various cultures around the world. Overall, bracken is a common and versatile plant with both positive and negative impacts on its surrounding ecosystem.